But we are talking about 5 weeks. Oh, how
5 weeks you come to
how mobile
you come to
so you the baby just simply so are politics. And every and they call Ukraine, quarantine, and this are Ukraine, no, Bibi to a wine.
That was the former president talking.
Ebusian for me, ma, Munina Akwaba, Eba, Ghana, Sem TV, GH, Mesra, like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are put up to be notified. Ebusian for a journalist, Kwame Tanko, a Juma or Lawson TV, Ababonti, Ayɛka about the fact, say, as a politicians, a more opposition, they don't pay attention to the kind of promises I am make it to followers and the nation at large. And the ultimate politician be a promise heaven and paradise a brower position. Now the act itself they ensure that you're wrong, sir, because who oppositioner. And I say every political party, the aim is say you want to come to power. Now, how do you get to power? Power, no, you can only get to power by ABA who campaign, who make certain promises. Some of them wait me to fulfill it, some of them won't fulfill it. But in as much as possible, no, where I say me disagree with Kwame Tanko, I may feel say. Or as a assembly or home person or car assembly, they will say and say, Kwame Tanko name say, Ufa MPP ni NDC. In terms of air promise say I'll make it to Ghana for no difference, vast difference. You cannot put MPP ni NDC on the same pedestal. Say a huge promise that they don't fulfill. Akufo-Addo, o promise o mine free senior high school. Na go for bebre ka say there be we dey no kre kotompo. Na ensida and I say besi a just 20 years. But Akufo-Addo obey man peni no the first year na implement free senior high school. Akufo-Addo eka say opese o bring efficiency in revenue collection and that stuff. Now if you say intro through digitalization they achieve that. For an economy as Ghana, our movie free a year 300 billion to over 1 trillion cedis. As I say, the economy has developed over time, 8 years of Akufo-Addo. Now, what Kwame Tanko should be acknowledging, and he say, on him say, Nyabe wohwa, yenfanye politics. That is it. And every society, and I say everything is governed by rules. Even in war, one nation against the other crana, they still observe some rules. That is why there's something called war crimes. But NDC4 they don't like playing by the rule. And then Ukraine, if they were to play by the rules, and they might be to say cocoa. I'm gonna find politics about more opposition. You might be to say full up cost. I'm gonna find politics. They might be to say COVID. But I'm gonna deny politics. Ebra COVID eba no. NDC4 be catch Ghana for say MPP4 boa na scanner mo pay di nti na mo say bibi what say COVID. That is what NDC people look Ghanaians in the face and told us. So how do you say NDC and MPP are the same? How? When COVID by after government set up a task force, NDC force already say almost more task force. And NDC for Nekoka say cocoa no they can give it to farmers at 6,500. And to say NDC for to me fulfill those promises, as media there, you must face them squarely. Don't come and try and do equalization as a media person, say politicians. There be NDC politicians. NDC politicians. NDC for Ayɛka say Russia-Ukraine war, no, it doesn't have any repercussions. Mu journalists no, mu assassin no, then amuka found. You people sat down and allow NDC to do all those propaganda. Now and there backfire. You want to still come and do equalization, yen penny, and the yen penny, like we will not agree to it. Let's go and listen to Kwame Tanko, and after him, a very interesting conversation. Don't go anywhere. But before then, we are trying to build our studio. Set it up. I cried before the one I sorted out. And to wait me up, the number is down the screen. Kitabian, we love and appreciate mu support always. No, I will see you the next one. Cheers.
$78.
Yes. $78 per barrel.
Says America say the price of crude oil has risen above $100.
You know, space of bare 1 week. $100 per barrel.
Because Strait of Hormuz, oil be transit efano, Iran for a close still. Almost also Hormuz renam. Iran.
They take major control of it.
Iran a close.
Kai.
So one ma fa nkone enkochira. Na wo wo so wo bema no. Fa shape si pono so. Na betwa mo Hormuz wo se wo de fa ngo eko. Nka obete wo nka. Enti eka ho bi. And Iran launch fresh wave of missile drone strike are targeting Israel and several Gulf states, you know, ama and also Eddie or however pa. In the same America say there, Franco, baby I happy so I don't know.
Over baby I can Hormuz way. I just did the check. I say every blessed day, 20 million barrels NFA every blessed day. So it tells us if you look at that area, it is being controlled by the Iran for no. Now what's my work on? And now also educating me who say Iran for no dream be say yamwombi countries or mono oil Libya, their attention will be moving from them whereby people go to them. And as I now they calculate that it means I'm sure full of boy because rano. And now no na say. Send you check it. And I may me check it by 10.96, it be 11.40. And now I may check it by 10.46. It be cut off. So it means that gradually it is sitting. Eba, oba kaya MPA4.
Now we crown there. AMP 2 weeks.
I want some say 5 weeks. 5 weeks. 5 weeks. And they say they are coming 2 weeks.
They want young cotton for yes bando and the new price beba.
They say man say you cut 2 weeks money. Still at the end a cost rock crack. And no company because say ya told you go for emergency case near appear the aba. Now it is moving. And tokwan so say den tokwan see kwa it will go beyond the 5 weeks. Asam gaka wakan. Now the new supreme leader asam wakan. Meaning said they are ready and ever ready for this particular battle. Whoa, they will go all out. Because who tell us my work kana kwai omo de ba pafa so wu ye ababa ya de bia da ho a or you feel pains about it. So you go after those kind of people mku ni papa. It means that the war is not ending now. Over. So we want it to say after 5 weeks, what is the hope of Ghana? After 5 weeks. Say twice say all things being equal. Top bomb, yes, say no ma attack other nations, Islamic State, Libya, and what is the future of Ghana after the 5 weeks? They can't quite ye. Ebia bedu ben next 2 weeks, what ye? Now Baron be number 125, 130. Kwan kono. It will get to a tablet might be 150. Say yana be konedia. Plans in the same Ghana plans in the ye. Then a bit my yedia bois, said a bear Ghana in no and then one channel. Because of a Danuka send beware, Abrabo Eboy, Abrabo Eboy. Sometimes you are not a yikademai, you are not any yikademai, Abrabo Eboy. Me, man, I'm social media, and I was just watching issues. Where? Obakaya, me Kaisa time. I was listening to Tamana Wofi them. And he wanted to be an honest, objective morning show host. I can say, COVID-19, any Russia-Ukraine war, it is affecting the economy. Whether we agree or not, because of politics and propaganda. Oh, Dabi, and a student for Sanyano Kreda, or Russia, and Ukraine, baby, baby, Ghana forward. It doesn't have any economical impact. Over here, where IMF was say, according to IMF, the Ukraine-Russia significantly is affecting every economy. Why IMF nekau? Nyamra mekau. IMF said it in 2022. IMF nekai. But because of the kind of politics that we do in Ghana, idea be benefit yan kwa ne adwen ho. Now I listened to the president. President Rikacha say am pan he said the no ma be start akosoro because of economy no mana ACC or ayi ho no Middle East ho no. Over. O kai say na mre bi o mo ka say Russia Ukraine war. O kai say man for doesn't have any bearing on Ghana. Hwe. Over. Another day enkofobi ye from travel mart calculator. Travel mart calculator. I'm say, Ufri Ghana ko Ukraine 8,714 kilometers. Ufri Ghana ko Ukraine 8,714 kilometers. Ufri Ghana eko Iran eye 9,331 kilometers. Tiadewe. At that material moment, because of politics, people were saying, say, if you look at the distance between Ghana and Ukraine, emuwa, and the who crampo in Yasa be affect Ghana. Today, I want to ask. Yeah, you can't answer no. Are we going to revise and rescind our decision today? Yeah, you can't answer no. Now, because over 8,000 and 9,000, and it's a sentiment to affect Ghana. I don't expect the states or Iran, any US, any Israel, it should affect Ghana. Ghanaian politicians should always learn. And there be any control was to be and find no politics. If there are external shocks, now the world is a global environment. Hit away. Say, you got 2 weeks. Oh, you I cut 3 weeks. Go on you. So tell the MP for next day, I'm say 5 weeks. Say 2 weeks money. And they say I cut 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks, now, what is the plan for Ghana? After 3 weeks, what is the plan for Ghana? Are we going to get a new oil? Are we going to buy it at $150 per barrel? Is it going to affect the ordinary Ghanaian? What are the politicians going to say? And there are some Nombeka. Don't jubilate over issues. Because the donors I affect you. It goes against everybody. Let's reason and think as ordinary Ghanaians. Yaman nationalists and any assembly banners and no cry. You know some way no cry. Tanko asem we kan wan kan ye we de nya no kre no bia oh that be no kre. You see, but sometimes because a pepper wanti and because sometimes they try to make sure they play with our intelligence and conscience, they will come and lie to us. There's one for us and common as and what game so social media also common as also common as now people are taking to yesterday.
As I say, we are here to let people know the reality. Near air koso.
Yes.
Make say, yeah, de bia say also radio and now TV they talk loss in Hana Wadjane say, NDC MPP abua kwatia
equalization.
No.
Dabi.
Anya no ye hwa. Nemum ye hwe nsam na sadi sitie ya hwe wani maka kyerɛw. Asɛm bia ni hɔ a esi oman no mu a me ne wo emienu ye ni hu ni bia ye betumi I research about the kan ho asɛm de akyɛ ye for. You see, your politics no maka, we should move away from Niema we don't have control
Thank
over.
you.
Idea politics. Things that we don't have control. Menkwa, I don't have control over my life.
Dabi.
I only have control over certain things.
Yes.
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 I have control over. But my life.
Don't have control.
I don't have control over my life. Dabi. Franco, now yes. And now do I know when I'm going to die? And equally, sana oko politics and you might be or might be anywhere we an island.
Dabi,
why so late to say, would ye baby a woodino sadiano a being count found no, the biameka found bo politicians say. Munyai samodi ya manyosem. It always will come back and hand you.
The reality will hit you.
But you people don't want to learn. Oh, can I say yeah? Tibon kosobi or tibebi? No, do what?
Yeah.
But the fact of the matter is that show you need control. Yeah, mobocracy me bibi.
Yeah.
Africa region here. Africa. Yeah, we are crying mobile theory. At the mercy of these Europeans, we are mercy. The fact of the matter is, America can say that oil boy dear say or no for the next 1 year, 2 years, or oil so America, it will never affect the economy. Yeah, 5 weeks. Go to America, check. America will years
was talking for years.
Yes. But we are talking about 5 weeks. Oh, how mobile so you the baby just simply so I politics and every and they call Ukraine quarantine and this Ukraine no bibi to na to why
that was the former president talking now the current president
but we are talking about 5 weeks. How mobile so ye de ba be gina simpie so aye politics and every ha and ko Ukraine quantity and this Ukraine no bibi to na beto e hwan
that was the former president talking now the current president
enti sa de no ye nyai and now almost MPP will come they will come and use it come or quite of so a trinity o some of me who sa de no e ba ye no obi aka oh when anuanom enokre
external shocks
it's
affecting the economy
but they are over bloating it omo kabro so omo dia omo ntimi nya omo de akwhye no I so omo ntimi omo ne ma na ebia omo di show omo ka sire sese analysis
yes
analysis look at say it has nothing to do with us it has absolutely nothing to do with are you being fair
yes this is another question
and society chrono reality et the
yes
na obehwe fan wadru 130 edru 140 edru 150
yes
afa yes you top fuel a barrel 15 series 17 series 18 series per liter obeka say
yes
also obeka say e bearing way
that is the question that you are asking
obeka say asem no
that is the question you are asking why na befa
na why atie
why never
and the politicians mama yentwe ho free sa niam no ho it is about time because yeah ti hey se mama yan hu ni sa na tem bia no mo de be ya manyosam ne yesom ye ne na koda na ade ba ko mu jade no obi obeka bibia so be nya so
if you want to be objective
kuvo I'll reduce drastically
oba no pacho
tumo ama
it affected the
fuwa no mutimito
yes
aja kufuwa fuwa no mutimito ebe wi say
yes
ebe wi akufuwa say ebe wi akufuwa say ebe wi akufuwa say your mama eba after akufuwa yes say your mama things you don't have control
external shocks you can't
control cocoa campaign cocoa mudi cocoa be campaign o man mu asa but you don't have control over the price of cocoa
you don't have control
gold mudi gold be isa you don't have control world market no determine the price
stock exchange you
but mudi be gina ho na mudi aye campaign sa you don't learn
yes they don't learn
mu ba na sa de na ba ba chichire mu nsa say all that need for it is difficult for them to talk now we cry the omunya hu the fact is meba say a storage ina na iguso use but when it hits na fuwa start to say do 15 cedis per liter and Ghanaians begin to complain because that is where the reality will set in.
Apart from so driver for 2 cars come do light
the reality will set in. They make can say, what are you going to tell Ghanaians?
That is it.
Say, oh, there be Israel, any America, any Iran, the any there. But Ukraine, Russia, the any there. Politics that you people do.